Hey guys, welcome to How to Solution, and in this video we're going to show you guys how you can create a new post in LinkedIn. At first go to the app, start a post. From there, whatever you want to talk on, suppose you want to add a document or use a template, click on that, whatever you have, and then choose a background. And then suppose I want to talk about, hey, I'm a graphics designer looking for a job, and then click on done and then go to next. And then suppose you want to paste whatever link you have or anything, hey guys, and then type whatever you want in here. And once you're done, just click on post and it says posted successfully. So when you click on view, you see that the post has been made. And this is exactly how you can make a post on LinkedIn. This is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and until then, take care.